Good morning, children. Yes, in the last class, how much completed this lesson? The last child up to uh, one man. A man lifted him and tried to console him. When the boy was crying continuously, when he wanted, I want my father, I want my mother, when he was saying continuously, at the moment a person just lifted him from the crowd, yet he tried to console him. He tried to console him. So before going to continue, try to answer to my question. So here, where was the child lost his parents? In which place the boy lost his parents? Come on, tell me. Where he lost his parents? Yes, roundabout. Where he lost his parents? At round about. In this place, he lost his parents. Okay. So when he lost the parents, did he search the parents or not? Did he search the parents? Yes. So did he find the parents in the fire? Did he see them again in the fire? No, he did not see. There were no. It means his parents were no in the fire. He did not find his parents. Okay. Then he searched everywhere. In every space, in every street, in every line, he searched his parents, but there were no parents. Simply he was searching with crying. He was searching parents with crying continuously because he was single. Nobody with him. He was a single. For this reason, he was crying continuously. He was asking his parents, I want my father, I want my mother this life. So, wherever they traveled, wherever they stood, everywhere he went there. Wherever they went, wherever they stood, everywhere he went to search them. But there were also no. He did not get the parents in their places also. Is it happened? Is it happened? Okay. Here in the crowd, all the total place is covered by the inch place. 1 inch place is also covered by the men and women. It means people. This means how you see the crowd in the fair. You can't move freely. You can't move freely in the fair because that much crowd is there. Shops are there. Different type of persons are there. Is it understand? When you see the fair, automatically you can understand how is crowd. How is crowd? Is it understand? So in that crowd, so one person lifted him. In that crowd, when he was crying, a person lifted him uh, through from the crowd. See here. So he asked so many questions. When the person lifted him, even the person took him on his shoulder, he asked so many questions. Can you remember what are the questions he asked him? How did you get here? It means, how did you come here? Whose parents were? Whose baby what? Where is your parents? So these are so many questions the man asked to the boy. But the boy did not answer to the question. Only he was crying. Only he was crying. What he wanted here? Just he wants his parents. He wants his parents. How did he get here, child? Whose baby are you? So the man asked, he stayed clear at mass. Yes, he tried to clear the mass. He tried to clear the group. Although there were no parents. Here. The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried. Yes. So time by time, it means minute by minute. uh, so automatically he was crying more and more. He was crying more and more. Then the man tried to soothe him by taking him round board. Yes, at the moment the man tried to control him. But try to control him, try to console him by taking so many places. So take him to the places. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the round boat. Will you have ride on a horse? The person asked him which question he asked him. Let's see here. Will you have ride the horse? You know, wooden horse, just going in a round shape. Is that understand? Yes. Will you have ride on the horse? He gently asked. He approached the ring. Then the child thrown into the thousand steel shops. He only shouted. But whatever the man asked him, he was not. It means the boy was not ready to listen. Whatever the man told to him, just he wanted. I want my parents. I want my parents. This thing only he was telling, asking, with crying. Okay. Let us see, continue. Here then, it is a picture of fair. It is a picture of fair. First picture is there and last picture of the lesson. Here, fair picture it is. Did you see? Yes. Let's see what's happened next. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. Listen to that nice music, child, he pleaded. But the child shut his ears with his fingers and shouted in double pitched strain, I want my father, I want my father. See here, what's happened? The man headed means moved. Headed means what here? Moved. Move towards the where? Snake charmer. Where did the person move here? Snake charmer. What he was doing? Just a snake charmer just playing the flute. Snake charmer was playing the flute to the snake. So when the snake charmer playing the flute to the snake, automatically the snake just going to just how you bend. That's like how you swaying. ಓಡಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. See here. Then place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. Cobra ಹೆಂಗ how it's moving everywhere. That's like moving. Listen to that nice music, child. Oh child, music is good. Music is very nice. Listen it. Did like this like the man told him. Listen to that nice music. Oh boy, listen to the flute sound. Listen to the flute music. It's very nice thing. This like he said. Listen to that nice music, child. He pleaded. It means he told him. But the child shut his ears. But it just tears rolled on from his eyes continuously. Tears rolled on the cheeks from the eyes continuously. So the child tried to shut his ears with his fingers. Islam, he is doing na this picture. When you see this one, this like okay, it means rub the eyes, rub the eyes, rub the ear, tears. His ears, sorry, the child shut his ears. The child shut his ears with his finger and shouted his double pitched strain, I want my mother, I want my father. Whatever the person told to him, he was not ready to listen. Just simply he was asking, I want my father, I want my mother. Is it understand? Shall I continue? Look at. The man took him near the balloons. Yes. So many ways. In so many ways he tried to console him. First he took to the round board. He took him to the round board. Then snake charmer. Then where did he take him? Yes. He took him where? Balloon seller. Next Where did he go? Balloon seller. See here. Actually, he liked the balloons. The boy liked the balloons, but parents did not what? Give him. Okay. Here. I the man took him near the balloons, thinking bright colors of balloons would distract the children's attention. Yes, he tried to divert his attention. The person why he took in so many places, he tried to console him. He would try to divert his attention at least 1 hour, 2 hour. Okay, that's right. So colors of balloons could distract. Distract means divert the attention. Distract means what? Divert the attention. Write down the meaning. Distract. Divert attention. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಹೆಂಗಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಪಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಯೋಚನೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಅವನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ತಂದೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವಿಚಾರದಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವನ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು, ಈ ಟುಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಟು ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. Colors of the balloons would distract the child's attention and quicken him. It means calm down. Would you like the rainbow colored balloons? Again, oh child, oh boy. Actually, he was telling a child, oh child, would you like the balloons? Yes, before that he liked the balloons. But now, what he say? Let's see here. Would you like the balloons? He persuasively asked. The child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just showed. See here, the child turned his eyes. The child turned his eyes from the balloon flying. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಬಲೂನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಓಕೆ, the child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just shouted, I want my father, I want my mother. This thing only asked. Whatever the man offered him, whatever the man offered him, he was not ready to get anything. The boy was not ready to get anything from the person. Is it understand? Let's see, continue. Then the man, still trying to make the child happy, bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Look, can you smell those flowers, child? Would you like the garland to put around your neck? Yes, let's see. The man still, a person, a man, trying to console him. He tried to make him happy. He tried to make him what? Happy. And just remove his bore. It means besara, dukkha. He tried to remove the sorrow. Okay. Then the child happy bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Yes, the flower seller where he sat at the gate. Where did he sit? At the gate. Who sat at the gate? Flower seller. Flower seller sat at the gate. See here. Gate where the flower seller sat. Look, can you smell this? Sorry. Can you smell those nice flowers, child? Oh, look, child, look. Can you smell these flowers? Can you smell these flowers? ಇವನನ್ನ ನೀನು ವಾಸನೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯಾ? You want garland? You want a garland to your neck? ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಾರ ಹಾಕೋತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Let's see. Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? Would you like to garland to put round your neck? So, would you like to garland? Garland means hara. Garland means what? Hara. ನಿನ್ನ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಾರ ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ would you like? ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ. Would you like to garland to put round your neck? Then the child turned his nose away from the basket. But even the child did not get the flower smell also. Is it? He did not smell. He did not smell the flowers. He did not get the garlands from the person. Okay. The child turned his nose away from the basket and reiterated. Reiterated. Iterated means what? Come on, tell me anyone. He sobs. It means continuously was crying. Reiterated. He sobs. I want my father. I want my mother. ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ he just he asking father and mother. You understand? He asked only mother and father. He did not want anything. He did not ask more. Just he asked his parents. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. Does it understand? Let's see. So, thinking humor is disconsolate, charged by gift of sweet. The man took him to the counter. Then, where did he take him? Let's see here. The man took him to the sweet counter, sweet shop. Actually, which sweet you like here? Which sweet? The boy liked here. Burfi. He liked what? Burfi. See here. Here, the person took him to the sweet seller. The person took him to the sweet seller. So the seller was selling, the sweet seller was selling what are the things? Jalebi, rasgulla, gulab jamun, burfi. These are the things he was selling. So burfi is his favorite sweet. Is it understand? Burfi is a favorite sweet. Okay, let's. So the man took him to his countertop sweet shop. What sweet would you like to child? Oh, child, which sweet would you like to eat? Oh, child, which sweet would you like to eat? Does it understand? Okay. What sweet would you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop automatically. When he asked, oh, child, which sweet would you like to eat? Automatically turned his face from the sweet shop. Andre, pattana mukha tirisibittavanu. He did not see the sweet. Even the boy did not see the sweet. Just turned his face from the shop. Okay. What sweets would you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only shopped, I want my father, I want my mother. Only one thing. He asked him, I want my father, I want my what? Father and mother. See here. What happened in this lesson? The last child, how he suffered, how the boy suffered when he lost his parents in the fair. So here, first, see students, what are the things the boy asked his parents. What are the things the boy asked his parents in the fair? First, he asked twice. First thing is, what did he ask first? He asked twice. Here also, parents did not give him twice. Okay. Then, when he came to sweet seller, when the boy came to the sweet seller, the sweet seller was selling jalebi, gulab jamun, burfi, and rasgulla. Is it understand? So, burfi is his favorite sweet. Here also, the parents did not give him or allow him to get the sweet. The parents did not allow him to get the burfi or sweet. Then, Where did he go? Then he went to balloon. When he saw the colorful balloons, when the boy saw the colorful balloons, different type of color balloons, when he saw, even he requested his parents. He requested his parents, oh, I want balloon, I want balloon. But here also his desire was not fulfilled. His desire was not fulfilled by the parents. He did not get any balloons. Here then went to the flower seller. Went to where? Flower seller. Here he asked, I want flower, I want garland. When the boy asked them, even he did not get the garlands. Even they did not get him flower or garland. Then he was attracted by snake charmer. Then he was attracted by what? Snake charmer. He was playing what? Flutes. He was playing flute to the snake. ಗೊತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾವು ಯಾವ ತರನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅದು ಕೊಳಲು ಊದಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಹಾವು ಯಾವ ತರನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Then round booth final. When he went, yes, he went to round booth. Round booth. Did you understand? The round booth. It is called round booth. Jokali ಅಂತ ನೀವೇನು ಕರಿತೀರಿ? What do you call? Jokali. Jokali ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. He would like to sit in the round boat, but parents not allowing. So after this incident, after this round boat, he lost his parents. He lost his parents. Yes, he searched everywhere. So where they stood, where they went, everywhere he searched his parents, but he did not see the parents again. So every corner, every street, every place is also covered by the people. Every space, every street, every line, whatever you take, everything is covered by the crowd. It means people. Okay, at the moment, one person came to him and lifted him, just took him on the shoulder, even he tried to console him. First he asked one question, where is your parents? How you come here? How you come here? How you came here? So these are so many questions the person asked him, but no more replying from the boy, only he asking what? Parents. He was asking what? Parents. Is it understand? So in many ways, the man tried to console him, tried to divert his attention or concentration, although the boy only was asking what? Parents. Where did the man take him? To which are the places the man took him? First, snake charmer. Yes, he took to him snake charmer. Then flower seller. Then where did he go? Yes, flower seller. Then sweet seller. Finally, they went to the sweet seller. Is it understand? This like the man tried to console him, but he was not consoled. He was not consoled by his caring. Just he was continuously what? Crying. He was continuously crying. So the first chapter is finished. We will send you PDF file regarding the question answer, whatever it may be. We will send PDF file. So you have to write in the CW. All the things you have to write in CW. Is it understand? So homework. What homework you have to do? Read the lesson with understanding. Don't read the lesson blankly. Try to understand. Try to understand each sentence. Is it okay? Bare uddyak ododu, it's not use. Yes, just 50% you try to understand. It's enough. Not 100% I am telling you. Just 50% try to understand. Again, automatically other 50% you can get easily. So you make it first. Okay. So read the lesson with understanding. Then hard words. What are the hard words in that lesson? Collect the hard words and write them. Write their meaning. Write their meaning. Is it understand? Okay. See you in the next class with new chapter. Until, take care of yours.